Hello, expert. Do you know with $19 you can start an ice cream business here in Ghana? In today's video, we are going to learn how to make a perfect coconut ice cream with just $19 in Ghana. Sakina is going to share her coconut ice cream recipe with us and take us through the process of making coconut ice cream in Ghana. We are also going to find out the cost involved starting an ice cream business and the profit you stand to make starting an ice cream business. Make sure you watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any of the steps. Since we are making a coconut ice cream, we'll start by cracking our coconut. So guys, we are going to repeat the process till we finish with everything, grating everything. So after grating the coconut, we need to also blend it so that we can be able to get enough milk out of it. So we are adding water to it, then after that we blend it so that we can be able to extract the milk. So we are going to repeat the process till we finish blending everything. So at this point we are going to be needing water, and we need to heat it first or boil it first, and we're going to use 2 cups of water. To weigh a custard. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Auntie, you so longer have Oh, okay. Yes. Okay. So we are going to use the 2 tins of milk here, and our custard. This is our custard, and then our sugar, milk powder. That's funny.
Sorry. One name.
Auntie, you should chop me. Chop me. Oh, okay. The milk and the milk and
Yeah, this is not money. Yeah, the man will pay.
I said so.
I think that's how we have to do ice cream. If you understand the fire business, I may many years.
My teeth.
Milk powder. Milk powder. Yeah, we low way 3 cities.
What is it?
The sugar no so that say margin half because you pay sugar baby.
Okay.
The way you sugar the light one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, funny.
And the car side of the cab saying a reason.
Yeah, you shoot 3.
Oh, okay. This is yeah, you use sugar cups 3.
Ice cream cups. You shoot 3. It's a swan, it's me the 1
And I custard and so.
Custard, so you 2 cups
3.
Yeah, maybe I will so we do see a we are very happy.
And never read this so fine.
Yeah, you should never see the custom, we will do layer moon. Come.
And I had said coconut.
Around 1, not pin you. They are not found and they won't. They make sense to say banku.
And then said banku pepper. I should with a better power.
Now,
oh, when I saw the office, I'm going to bet you when I'm a near my demand.
Yes, we are the Hamas, and I want to go through my chair. Nasa. We say, we pay to set 12. I about 3
and to Galani, we are man.
Maybe I 3. Boys, me anyway, me.
Oh, okay.
After the milk, when Bimbo,
coconut milk.
And the fry. Yeah, I did need fry. I did, yes, I did fry away now. And nanny, a better the fry. She's not nanny come, my. Would you put Janosona? A bit overheating too much.
The sugar can come.
Yeah, the back on bed. Your best son, yes, because I say we now your best son and I are Rabia be me apron no mu be hu fu.
Ya de mienu nyina gu. Sugar no. Say sugar na I4
because it does.
Oh, okay, nti the vanilla ni be go. Say
Ye be use nitini mienu.
oh, okay, nitini mienu.
Nitini mienu.
Okay. Okay. And so where cocoa powder.
Cocoa powder.
Ne bitano. Ne nyono.
De baby. We
Oh, okay.
Nini change. Now be say nini deep brown.
And so when soup chocolate in one.
Ghana, Ubeba no a week it was 74 million market. Sa 4 million. But first, I'm used popular milk. Popular milk near talk at and baku, sister Ghana. Say no say no oh, or talk. We ye cutting the baku, we are 1 year plan. A week to never 2 million air profit. So she would be managing a can. There's a CID.
Na some milk on a view no view.
A vineyard. And as I'm not to taste to say original. Nipa kono obetire no or the original milk we no na e kire. Nti na e kire na milk we no bo be ye den no. Na mesi se. Nti mesi se na market no so no. Be saagi.
So we are finally done with the ice cream. The next thing to do is to arrange it in our fridge or freezer to freeze so that we can take it to the market the next day. I hope you enjoyed this video up to this point. Let me know which aspect of the video you enjoyed most in the comment section, and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up by liking this video, comment, like and share. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you in the next